Aiden.
Aiden, come on up. Let's clap for Aiden. It's his first day in class with us, and he recognized his name. Now, do you see your name up here? Which one is yours? That's right. And we get your picture today, Aiden. When we're here, we put it under the here sign. Let's clap for Aiden. All right, since we have our new student today, why don't we sing good morning to him? How does that sound? And Aiden, if you don't know the song, it's okay, you'll learn the words, all right? If you know it already, sing with us, okay? Everybody stand up. Here we go. How do you know Alexander?
We know his family. I grew up with the daughters of.
So did they say send him over here? Did they tell you about our class?
No.
No?
No.
Wow.
Not at all.
That's awesome. Oops, sorry, boys and girls. Here we go. Let's get the volume up. Morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Our day is beginning. There's so much to do. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Isaiah, do you want to come to the open spot over here? Okay, if you want to. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Our day is beginning. There's so much to do. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning to you. Is anybody besides Alexander and I awake? Come on, boys and girls, we know the song. Let's sing. Here we go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Our day is beginning. There's so much to do. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Everybody sit down. Let's pass that little song. Alright, let's look over at the calendar. The last day we were here was Thursday. Then we were home on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now today is Monday. That's right. So we have to fill in lots of numbers. All right, count with me. Let's see where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, we have a lot to fill in. 14, 15, 16, 17. This is the number 17. Do I have anybody who would like to put the number 17 up? Me. Who do you think we should let have a try? You think we should give Aiden a try? Yeah, Aiden. Yeah, let's give him a try. Put it right here underneath Monday, Aiden. Good job. Okay, let's clap for Aiden. Good job. Yeah. All right, so boys and girls, today is Monday, October 17th. Okay, now I have a question. What was the weather like this morning? Is it hot outside? A lot of you have jackets on. It's a little bit wet. Cold. Not very cold, but a little bit. Now, is it... Oops. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. Now, is it cloudy or sunny outside? Look outside the window. I think it's sunny. Good call. Joanna, do you want to come put the sunny up? Put it right here. I think it'll stick. Let's see. Give it a try. It's cold, but it's sunny. going to pass them around in just a second. Now look out at the tree that's out the window. What color is it? What color are the leaves? Are they purple?
No.
Are they blue?
No.
Are they green?
No.
Yes, they're green. But are these green?
No.
No. I'm going to pass them around. I want you to look carefully. I'm going to pass this one around. Because look, you can see that this one has some green in it. But what's happening to it, Alexander?
Yellow.
It's turning yellow. Good, Aiden. Yes, Alexander, did you have a question?
Yellow.
It's turning yellow. Would you like to see it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give it to Julie. She can look at it, and then she can pass it to Yadi's go. Take a quick look, Julie, and pass it to Yadi so she can see it. Okay? And take a quick look and pass it to Aiden. Yeah, it's turning yellow. Anybody know why? Because it's getting cold at night. And when it gets cold, guess what happens to the leaves? They turn colors. Okay, I want to teach you a poem today because Alexander, when the leaves get yellow enough, guess what they do? Watch. Pretend I'm a tree.
A tree. What is that?
They fall down. That's right. They're going to fall off the trees. Okay? You want to learn a song about it?
Yes.
Okay. It's called Autumn Leaves Are Falling Down. Say autumn.
Autumn
Leaves.
leaves.
Autumn leaves
Autumn leaves
are
are
falling
falling
down.
down.
Now watch me. Just listen. Everybody put your fingers on your ears. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down to the ground. You want to try it with me? We're going to sing it 3 times. You see the picture up there 3 times? Stand up. And if you don't know the words yet today, you'll know them by the end of the week, right? So do we worry about that? Yeah. We listen and learn them, right? Okay, put your leaves. Pretend like your fingers are your leaves. Here we go. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down to the ground. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down to the ground. One more time. Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down to the ground. And everybody say crisscross applesauce. So what are the leaves doing? Falling. Can you say falling? And later on we're going to read a book about fall. You see my pictures here where the leaves are falling down? And look. I have pictures. Can you remember that the leaves fall for me?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to break up into our groups. And where are we going to go? Where do we go when we're in our groups? Can somebody tell Aiden? Where do we go, Isaiah? What are those called? Centers. Okay, let's talk about our new groups. Okay, Alexander, can you stand up? Let's look at the dot on Alexander's star. Can you touch the dot on your star? Touch it. What color is Alexander's dot? Red. Let's move over here, Alexander. If your star is red, come stand with Alexander. Who else has a red star? Good, Joanna. Who else has a red dot? Gregory. Anybody else? Oh, I guess Elizabeth and our other person that's absent are the red group. Okay, so this is the red group. Red group, stay right here. And let's have Aiden stand stand up. Oh, Aiden, you didn't pass on the leaf to everybody? We need to pass it around the circle. Okay, take a look and pass it to your friend. Take a look so you can see the leaves changing. Okay, Aiden, can you stand up for me? Okay, here's Aiden. What color is his dot?
Yellow.
Yellow. If you have a yellow dot, can you come stand with Aiden? You're going to play with Aiden today. Come over here with Aiden. This is Yuli and Yadi. Hey, Isaiah, you have a yellow dot. Who else has a yellow dot?
Me.
Gael, well, come on. This is your new group to play with. Okay. And what color's left? Blue, come stand up over here. Okay. Here are your choices today. Are you listening? Or here's where we're going. We're going to have one group at the
Play-Doh.
And did we change the Play-Doh? Oh no? Okay. Tomorrow we'll do that. The other group, one other group, is going to get to choose. Do you want to do a puzzle? Or do you want to use the lacing cards? You'll choose. It's choice. Can you say choice?
Choice.
We'll do these on the carpet. Okay?
The carpet.
Oh, I didn't say which group yet, though. Miss Oriana's going to choose. And then another group is going to paint the leaves falling down with me. Okay? Okay, Miss Oriana, who do you think should get to go to later? Play-Doh? I think the yellow group. You think the yellow group, they were listening? They were listening. Okay. Yellow group, you may go sit down at the Play-Doh. Isaiah, can you sit next to Aiden and show him how we play with the Play-Doh, please?
I know how to play with them.
Oh, but we have some rules here. That might be different from what you played at home. Okay, go ahead, yellow. Oh, Jack, you're with the blue group. Look. Red, go ahead, yellow. Julie, are you with the blue? And you do Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Okay, blue, follow Mrs. Williams. Jack, we're going to paint over here. Come with Mrs. Williams. Okay, boys and girls, I need you to listen carefully so you know what to do. Okay? If you have long, did I say touch the magnet? No, I said listen. If you have long sleeves, you should either take off your jacket or push them up.
Aiden.
Okay, you're going to take your jacket off, Jack, so you don't get paint on it.
Are you hot?
Okay?
You're hot.
Go put it where we put our jackets, okay? Diego, you're going to push yourself